Imagine a fan that not just powerful but also smart, stylish and portable. A fan you can fold, carry anywhere and control with a remote. No more bulky design, no more noisy motors, just cool, refreshing air wherever you are. Today we are exploring the Agaro Grand Foldable Stand Fan, a true game changer for your home, office and even travel. If you are looking for a foldable, portable and powerful rechargeable fan to beat the scorching summer heat or survive those nighttime power cuts, whether it's for you or your child, then this fan has got you covered. Stay tuned and watch till the end. This is the box overview of Agaro Grand Foldable Stand Fan. Highlighted features written foldable, height adjustable, angle adjustable and with 1 year warranty. Specifications of the fan are BLDC motor 4.8 watt, height can be adjusted from 14 inch to 38 inch. MRP retained 4000 around but got the product only at 1899 rupees only. QR code for warranty registration and complaint. Few more highlighted features of the fan. Included components are remote and USB cable along with the fan. Now let's quickly check out what comes inside the box. You will find the fan unit neatly packed, a wireless remote control, the charging cable and a user manual to help you set things up. This is the tiny cute remote control. USB to Type-C cable. The main unit, Agaro Grand Foldable Stand Fan and one user manual cum warranty card. The Agaro Grand comes in a sleek white finish, giving it a modern and elegant look. Type-C input for charging the fan and another USB Type-A for reverse charging, as it is fueled by a massive 7200 mAh battery. At the bottom there are 3 anti-skid bays which prevents skidding or slipping of the fan. Let's observe finger-shaped casing design and Agaro branding at the center. The foldable stand design is one of the biggest highlight. You can collapse it into a compact size for easy storage or extend it to a full stand fan when needed. Lock and unlock the stand by turning it into the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Name of the fan, serial number is written at the back of the fan. The fan can be charged by a power bank or any other AC adapter and the battery status is indicated by the notification light. The height of the fan can be adjusted from 14 inch to 38 inch. The foldable stand fan can be used as a table fan, a floor fan or a pedestal fan. Let's observe carefully how the angle of the fan can be adjusted. The tilting can be adjusted 90 degree in the backward direction and 30 degree in the front direction from the vertical. It's powered by a Copper Brushless Motor, that is the BLDC, which means you get a strong airflow, longer lifespan and energy efficiency compared to the regular fans. You can choose from 4 different speed settings, from a gentle breeze perfect for bedtime to a strong blast of air to cool down a room quickly. This is the first speed mode, second speed mode, third speed mode and final fourth speed mode. The speed of the fan can be operated by the power button as well as the remote control. Now I will show you how the fan speed can be operated by the remote control. There are total 4 options in the remote: power on off, timer, speed up and speed down. This remote is operated by a button battery, that is CR2025. Now let's press the power button of the remote to switch on the fan. Fast speed mode is indicated by a single notification light. Taken this paper slit to show you the intensity of the fan at different speed mode. Speed mode 2. Speed mode 3. Now entering into the 4th speed mode, which is very interesting. It is the bridge mode. In this speed mode, the fan swings from lower speed mode to the higher speed mode continuously and periodically, and which resembles as natural bridge. Listen the fan sound minutely and watch the movement of the paper to understand the bridge mode. You can also activate the timer mode by pressing the timer button. The timer can be set for 1, 2, 3 and 4 hours by pressing timer button first, second, third and fourth times respectively. That's the Agaro Grand Foldable Stand Fan, compact, powerful and built for comfort. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.